Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using the platform. In this video, we're taking a look at TourRadar, found at www.tourradar.com. TourRadar is a fantastic online platform that serves as a comprehensive search engine and booking tool for multi-day tours around the globe. Whether you're dreaming of a safari adventure in Africa, exploring ancient ruins in Peru, or cruising through the fjords of Norway, TourRadar likely has a tour package to suit your interests and budget. They aggregate offerings from various tour operators, presenting you with a wide selection of itineraries, dates, and price points all in one convenient location. This makes it easy to compare options side by side and find the perfect tour for your needs. Beyond just searching and booking, TourRadar offers valuable resources like detailed tour descriptions, reviews from past travelers, and even helpful articles and blog posts to inspire your next adventure. They cater to a diverse range of travel styles, from budget-friendly backpacking trips to luxurious guided tours. No matter your experience level or preferred comfort level, you're likely to find something that catches your eye. One of the biggest benefits of using a platform like TourRadar is the ability to see real reviews and ratings from other travelers. This transparency provides valuable insights into the quality of the tour operators and the overall experience. It helps you make informed decisions and choose a reputable company. So, if you're planning your next big adventure and looking for an organized tour, definitely check out TourRadar. It's a valuable resource that simplifies the planning process and helps you discover incredible travel experiences worldwide. Remember to explore the website's different filters and sorting options to narrow down your search and find the perfect tour for you. Happy travels!